Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to solve low sound problem in iPhone. If you're experiencing low sound issues on your iPhone, whether it's during calls, while playing media, or using apps, there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Now go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and drag the ringtone and alert slider to the right to increase the volume. Next method, ensure silent mode is off. Check the ring silent switch on the left side of your iPhone. If the switch shows orange, your iPhone is in silent mode. Flip it to turn off silent mode. Another method, go to the settings, focus, do not disturb, and ensure it is turned off. Alternatively, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, or swipe up from the bottom on older phones to access Control Center and ensure Do Not Disturb is not enabled. Another method, dust, dirt, or debris can block the speakers or microphone grills, reducing sound quality. Use a soft brush or a clean, dry toothbrush to gently clean the speaker and microphone areas. Another method, if your iPhone is connected to a Bluetooth device, sound may be directed to that device. To check it, go to the settings, Bluetooth, and turn off Bluetooth to ensure sound plays through your iPhone speakers. Another method, restarting can resolve many minor software glitches. Press and hold the side button and either volume button on newer models until the slider appears. Drag the slider to turn off your iPhone, then press and hold the side button again to turn it back on. Another method, resetting your iPhone settings can help resolve sound issues. Just go to the settings, General, Transfer, or Reset. Then go to Reset. Choose Reset All Settings. This won't delete your data, but you'll need to reconfigure your settings. And lastly, make sure your iPhone is updated with the latest version. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.